Dear viewer, one of the most challenging things I do every year is work on a new Ramadan series. When I sit down to write it, I think about you. What do you need to connect more deeply with your faith? What questions loom in your mind when you feel uncertain? Which ayat or ahadith will comfort or bring clarity to your heart when it's in pain? And how can I help? Let me rephrase that. How can we help? Making a series like this is not as simple as me sitting down in front of a camera. It's actually a huge undertaking that requires many months to move from an idea to a storyboard, to a production, and finally to what you see on your screen. Animators, set designers, production managers, actors, videographers, and many more to make sure the series comes out just right. And the whole team, they think about you too. What's the best type of lighting for this moment? Which camera angle should we take? How should the set look this year? Can we tweak this detail or that one to make sure that everything is just a little better? Every decision we make is guided by one goal: to uplift our ummah, to uplift you. And your role is crucial too. When you watch and share episodes of the Ramadan series, you're helping others find their way to it. And when you contribute to Yaqeen, you're joining the team and making this entire production possible year after year. We're raising a voice for the ummah, a voice that inshallah reaches you with exactly what you need. So dear viewer, we just want to say Jazakumullahu khairan for being part of this Ramadan journey with Yaqeen.